The motion picture White Noise introduced audiences to the phenomenon EVP, recordings of the dead. Now, there is a new dimension in communication with the other side. Every day in the United States, there are an average of 774 near-death experiences, during which a person is pronounced dead before being resuscitated. Most report seeing a blinding white light.
No pulse. We brought him back.
You're gonna think I'm crazy, but I'm seeing and hearing all kinds of electrical stuff.
You can see white noise transmissions, EVP, communications with the dead. Keep your eyes open. There's a very good chance you're gonna be seeing some wacky stuff.
For some, a near-death experience brings a spiritual awakening.
What if I do know when somebody's gonna die?
He just saved my life.
For others, there is a darker side.
I don't think you should have saved me.
I have to do this.
Do what?
I shouldn't have saved you.
White Noise 2.